Cybersecurity should be a priority for every organization. First, make sure all employees use strong, unique passwords and change them regularly. Another important practice is using multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, even if a password is stolen. Now, you should also make sure to regularly update all software and security patches. It's going to help protect against new vulnerabilities. Next, educate employees about phishing scams, Phishing scams, one of the most common ways hackers get in systems. Conduct regular training sessions to help them recognize suspicious emails or links. And finally, back up all important data. If something goes wrong, you'll be able to recover without losing everything. Implementing these simple practices can make a huge difference in protecting your organization from cyber threats. So start taking action today to secure your business. And if you found this video helpful, leave me a like. Love you.